Oh, hey everybody. Today I'm working on my Creative Character Booklet. My Creative Character Booklet was made first by putting together some papers, and then I made some drawings on the inside. Now you'll see here that I've labeled it out. The top part is going to be for my head. The second part is going to be for the body, and then the third part is for the legs. So when you open it up, on my first page, I've started with this character. And this is a little bit of a self-portrait. And I have a picture of a girl here. Now on the second page, I have drawn a fish. Okay? But what's fun about this book is that if I were to flip my pages around, I now have a fish with legs. Or I could flip my head around and I've got a mermaid, or a fish head girl, but I could also bring this part over and create another character, because I've made drawings on each one of my parts. So I have about 8 different drawings of different characters, and each time that I flip it, I can create then an even different character. Look at this guy, he's kind of crazy. Can you see that? It's a fish on roller skates. Now that's a little bit wild. So let me show you how I've created my booklet. First, fold the A4 papers in half vertically. Glue or staple pages to make the booklet. The first page will be the cover of your booklet. Fold your booklet into 3 parts and then cut. Draw your first character on page 1. Draw your second character on page 2. Align the character's head, body, legs on each page. Do this by flipping the pages back and forth to make sure of the alignment. Finish drawing all of your characters on the remaining pages. Make sure to flip the pages back and forth so that the characters are aligned. When you finish drawing all of your characters, then you can add color with markers, colored pencils, or crayons. Make sure to add lots of details. Use similar colors and patterns to make your drawing more believable. All right, guys, now that you've finished creating your creative character booklets, you can color them and add lots of details and patterns, okay? So I hope you have fun with this. I hope that you are being creative and safe, and I miss you much. Bye.